This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Doug Gibian. Welcome to all ages Avalon Estates of Woodmont, offering a gated entrance, community pool and easy living with lawn and amp, sprinkler maintenance included. Contemporary home right on the golf course with peaceful views that include water. Built in 1995, the home has high vaulted ceilings and amp, an open look plus split plan design, 2.5 baths, a cozy family room plus a bonus room ideal for an office or craft room. The kitchen is a great size with loads of cabinets and amp, counter space. Also included is an inside utility room with a newer washer/dryer. The main bedroom is also large with a big bathroom. Woodmont has a new clubhouse, but membership to that and golf are optional. Great location too close to the Sawgrass Expressway, Coral Square Mall, oodles of shops, restaurants and amp, wonderful schools. See it now. For more information, review the details below or contact Doug Gibian at 954-369-0271.